Welcome guys, Tony the Wizard. As you know, the Wizard Breaks on Whatnot and everywhere else called the Wizard Breaks, Tony the Wizard Breaks. We're loading up 3 Pokemon Journey together. Let's see if we can hit anything good like the Lily's Psyduck. Have not hit that yet. Not yet to hit that. Let's check. Nothing. Nothing there. Check this one. Ooh, we get something here. We got something here. A Lily's Clefairy EX. Lily's Clefairy EX, guys. Next one. Last pack magic. Nothing here. We got the Lily Clefairy. Let's leave them up. Let's leave her little beautiful ass up. And there we have her. Please, guys, go into my Whatnot as the Wizard Breaks. We are doing a pre-bid for 2026 Leaf Metal Baseball Hobby Box. 8 cards per box and plus 1 on-card auto and 4 autos inside. And a Topps update series. A Topps update series as well. Blaster box. Get in. And we are high bidding for this guy. It is in the shop as well. They'll call it the Wizard Breaks. Get in there, guys. Wizard Breaks is going to be live tonight on stream. Alright, guys. See you guys later. Enjoy the next video once I get in. Deuces, guys. Appreciate y'all.